Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hasiba Inamdar. I am studying in 3rd standard. Today's my topic is Suratul Fatiha and its translation. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Malik Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Translation of Suratul Fatiha. In the name of Allah, the gracious, the merciful. Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the world, the most gracious, the most merciful, Master of the day of judgment. It is we worship, and upon you we call for help. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those you have blessed, not of those against whom there is anger, nor of those are misguided. Amin. Allah Hafiz.